ahead and move to your Get Ready forecast with meteorologist Robert Suhr here tonight. Robert, we do have some impact days coming up. So what does that mean for people kind of heading into the latter part of the week and the weekend?
It means that they will need their umbrellas handy, just in case. Maybe you're a lucky one, you got yourself a Darby Bybee umbrella. You might need it over the next couple of days because we are watching for rain. Now, tonight's rain chances seem to have really fizzled out, which is great news. We'll get to that here in a second. 88 today in Fayetteville. You can see the record 100 degrees on this day 11 years ago in 2012. Meanwhile, in Fort Smith, you can see things are nice and dry, nice and quiet. On Interstate 540, we got up to 93 degrees, right at average, right where we should be for this time of the year. Radar is very quiet tonight. The atmosphere really never destabilized itself after that earlier round of showers and storms. That kind of sucked all the energy out of the atmosphere, so it's not allowing anything else to redevelop. We have a dying system way across north or southwestern Oklahoma, and all indications are that our rain chances will not return to the area until about 5, 6, or 7 o'clock tomorrow morning as this front very slowly trundles its way toward northwest Arkansas and the River Valley. But behind it, there is some cooler air. Nice and quiet in Springdale. Across the rest of northwest Arkansas, it's 75, or excuse me, it's 77 in Springdale, 2 degrees cooler than that at Drakefield and Fayetteville. Good evening to Wesley, checking in also at 75. High above the city of Poto in Lafleur County, it is also very quiet. 73 right now in Poto, but 7 degrees warmer in downtown Fort Smith at 80 degrees, 78 in the mountains of Logan County and Paris near Mount Magazine. As I said, this is new model data going through the rest of the night. As you can see, mostly quiet until tomorrow morning. Then another thunderstorm complex arrives behind the front, and that could make it for a wet morning for a good part of the area. Notice all the thunderstorm activity here around 11 a.m. in Lafleur County. Keep that in the back of your mind. I'll show you why here in just a second, but this could last into tomorrow afternoon now. It's much, much slower than initially thought. And then we could get another thunderstorm complex in here Friday morning into Friday afternoon. Latest guidance from the Storm Prediction Center has really trimmed the severe threat down now just barely in our area, and most of this is for that morning activity that you saw in the hour by hour. That will impact us tomorrow morning. Now, as we go through the rest of the day, Thursday afternoon and evening, then we reintroduce the chances for an isolated severe thunderstorm for the rest of the area. But again, this is for the second half of our Thursday. And all of these thunderstorm complexes could bring with it very heavy rainfall. This is over the next 5 days. Weather Prediction Center saying, yeah, at least maybe 2 inches to 4 inches of rainfall could fall. We need the rain, but some of that rain could be heavy, which could lead to some flash flooding across northwest Arkansas, localized short-term flash flooding, that kind of stuff. 60s and 70s tonight. A much cooler day tomorrow. If we get all that rainfall, these temperatures will probably be 5 to 10 degrees cooler than what the models are hinting at, but still have those impact days. Thursday, Friday, and Saturday. It's a very fluid forecast. It's a very chaotic forecast with these thunderstorm complexes that really move where they want to go. So the models sometimes struggle with them. Much warmer by the time we get to next week. Same thing in the River Valley with those on and off again storm chances. And then next week, above average temperatures return. Brandon Evans is back right after these commercial messages. He's got your sports update. Stay tuned.